welcome back to Deja Vu Nails. I am just sitting in the shop today. I got some nail mail in. I'm very excited about what it is. I follow V Nailed It like so much. I found her whenever I discovered knot polish. I am a very big fan of knot polish. Obviously, if you see my collection back here, I use pretty much exclusively knot polish at this point on clients. I love trying other brands, but I always come back to my knot polish brand. But I guess that's often another tangent. But I follow V Nailed It, and I love that she came out with her own practice hand. She is like the queen of working on hands during her videos. She always works on a practice hand. I mean, I think I've seen videos of her working on actual hands, especially like her own hands, but a lot of her content is practice hands. So I'm always impressed with how real they look and how, you know, just you learn so many techniques. So shout out, hi, and I love you if you ever watch this. So I went ahead and ordered the Veeda Bella hand because I'm just so wanting to play with it. I have always used the little practice fingers setup from, oh my god, here I'm gonna freeze and look like an idiot. I don't know, I'll link it somewhere or something, but I've always used my like practice fingers, which they are the silicone as well, but this hand just looks so real, like it just looks amazing. Haven't opened my own yet, so y'all are getting to see everything. But yeah, so I ordered it. The hand itself with the kit, I ordered the whole enchilada. I believe it's $189. If it's something less, then I'll notate it here somewhere. But I believe it's $189.99 or something like that. And I got it. So the first thing that pops out whenever you do it, when you open it, is this little card. And I love it because it literally says, your purchase means so much to our small business. And I love that because I'm a small business too. I own my nail shop, and I'm just so honored to have it. And every client that comes in is supporting me, and I love that. So I definitely appreciate someone sending a thank you for that. Is just amazing. It does have her social media, so if you are into her social media, then be sure and locate. She definitely is on YouTube doing tutorials. And then with this, it says easy prep every time, so it has the care and instructions. Now the way that I'm recording up and down. If it looks too bad, I'll do a video sideways so that I record on my phone, guys. I'm not high tech. If it looks too crazy, then I will change and do a side view. But a lot of this is going to end up on TikTok as well, so I'm just trying to, you know, one and done type of thing. I'm not a professional, apparently. But so here is the box, empty. It's so cute, like it's real clean. So, and don't pay attention to my nails. My nails are horrible today. So I'm just cutting the little seal, and I guess that goes to show that I haven't even opened this sucker, so y'all are seeing what I'm seeing for the first time. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, okay, so it's like, is it magnetic? Oh, it is. It's like nice. Okay. It's a magnetic box, so let me do this. So y'all are literally getting to see this, and it kind of stretches open so that you can open it. That's pretty cool. It says, for detailed instructional video, please visit us at, and it says veedabella.com. And then the first thing that comes out is the little bag, and it's a nice satin type of bag or velvet. And then let's save that for a minute. Y'all thought y'all could see it. And I ordered the kit, so it has the cover nails, full cover coffin tips, which over, I guess, the next couple weeks, I'll test and see if I can find other ones just for y'all to be able to utilize other ones, just in case you don't want to order them from her every time. Not that I'm not supporting her, because, you know, order them from her, they might work better. I'll test it. If I mess up my hand, you'll be the first to know. This is, oh look, I forgot it comes with a little practice finger. So that's kind of cool. A little practice finger. Doop. And then, oh, okay, it comes with a bunch of little rings to decorate your hand with. Oh, and that's a lot of rings. Like, it's a bunch of different rings, like a whole bunch of them. Hey, would it be bad if I kept one for myself? Hold on, because I'm a Libra, and there's really like a fake opal one. Oh my god. And so let me look here. Give me just a second. Look, to die for. This is so cute.
What is that?
I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video, guys. Everybody's talking to me.
You got a ring? When did you get that right off?
I've had it. I just have had it put up and not did it. So look at that. Oh, let me see. Does it fit? It fits, guys. I'm fixing to wear it. I'm all like first shade. I'm literally keeping one of the rings for my own hand. Look, it comes with these little practice, like the rings to decorate the hand. And I haven't even opened the hand yet, so back off, ladies. It is more comfortable, right? And then this is the, it's all right. Everybody's in here talking to us. Okay, so this is the practice hand primer. No, I am not live. I'm doing a video. And so this, I know you're supposed to put it on the hand before you put the tip, and then you're supposed to glue the tip to the hand. So I know that much. And then this is the double-sided tape that you put the tip on, glue the tip on, and then I think you double side the other tip onto that tip so that you can interchange tips without messing up the hand and having to peel off the tips and stuff. But we'll tackle that in another video. So that's that, and that. So that's everything. Let me bust out the main attraction. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, ah. So this is, from what she says, this is her own actual hand. And I think because she does a lot of videos on her own nails, so I think we're so accustomed to seeing her actual hand that this is pretty cool. And it's really pretty. And you can see all her little creases and her little knuckles. I'm trying to see if I can get it in there. And then this is the posable one. I think she has one to where, you know, you can do this number and the fingers will flop. I wanted the posable one so that I can, you know, gently pose them. Now I haven't watched the how-to yet because I'm lazy, so I'll watch that. So I'm probably bending the crap out of it and not supposed to, but from what I understand, you're supposed to be able to set it down like this in a tape roll, fancy, and bend the nails down like this and work on it from, you know, a tech perspective. So if that's the case, then it's gonna be pretty cool. I'll do a video on that sometime in the next week and get that up so that y'all can see it. And this is, I believe, the number 2 color, which is pretty close to my pasty self, so that's kind of cool. I wanted one a little darker, but she was sold out of everything. So this is what we got, guys. We got a super pasty white girl, just like me. So this is pretty cool. I hope y'all like it. Again, I will do videos. I'm gonna link her stuff in the description box so that y'all can order it if you want, or so you can go see her videos if you want, and let me know what y'all think. So I'm gonna get out of here, but I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.